precise point I want to focus on, and I want to ask you, Mr. Harish Salve, the scene of crime. Visuals came out. These were visuals not authorized and given out by anybody. Obviously, there wasn't any news channel allowed there. But visuals were leaked. Visuals of the dead body were leaked. Visuals of the room where the body was discovered were leaked. They were all present online. They had been leaked by somebody who was there in the room clicking these pictures or videos. Most of the visuals that came online over the last 74 days since this 14th of June showed pictures being taken from one side of the body where the ligature marks on the neck weren't really visible. And the compromise of the scene of crime, of course, was visible in those photographs and videos to everybody else. Yesterday, we got two pictures that were taken by the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput from another angle, which was the angle from where we've so far not seen any pictures that were leaked. I want to ask you, Mr. Harish Salve, if these pictures leaked on the day the body was discovered, shouldn't the police have investigated the fact that where this leak came out from? For 74 days, they haven't investigated that. Then, is it okay for us to presume that they may have been leaked by the police itself to once again support the theory of suicide which they had presented already and the minister had presented? And now the new visuals that came out show another angle where the ligature marks are not continuous. There are two layers and there are other scratch marks and a big wound which is visible. What do you make of these visuals and the way they've come out?
Let's take a step back, Navid. Why should any photographs have been published whatsoever? If photographs have been published, they were either taken before the police arrived or they were taken when the police was present. If they were taken before the police arrived, it's a very serious matter, because that means somebody was present at that place and was taking photographs. That person would have been the first person to be questioned by the police. But that's not so, or nobody has suggested that, which must then logically mean that they were taken when the police was there. Because once the police arrived, the body was removed. If they were taken when the police arrived, that is a very serious breach. And I feel an independent FIR should have been registered to find and arrest the police officer who has leaked those photographs. See what is going on today. TV channels are showing the evidence even before the CBI possibly has access to it or is still processing it. This case is being investigated on the small screen. We have made a complete mockery of our criminal investigation system, and we have only one agency to thank for this, the Bombay Police. They seem to have absolutely had no control over what was going on. Either they were leaking or they were allowing people to leak. Both of them are equally serious lapses. If the Home Minister had legitimately to comment on the matter, he should have commented on what steps he is going to take to make sure that the working of this police is stopped. Because there's another dimension to this. Today, there are serious allegations being made against that young lady. Maybe they are true, maybe they are not true. But assuming 1 in 1,000 chance also that they are not true, her reputation is damned. And if they are true, they are such serious matters, why are they coming out in public domain before even the investigating agency has right to fulfill? Because you don't realize there is a causation link. There are people involved if there is a crime being committed. The moment you announce that I have this information that this lady did that, and she was in touch with somebody, that person goes underground. Or if there is any evidence, that person will delete a file, he will He will break up his phone. He will do whatever he has to do. So this is the danger of premature publication of evidence. I don't know when this nonsense will end in our country. I have never seen this anywhere.
But
Tell
Mr.
me another jurisdiction where this kind of a